What if we could actually see the cosmic dance of two supermassive black holes with our own eyes? Not just hear about it or speculate, but truly witness them, spinning around each other in the depths of absolute darkness, launching jets of energy into the far reaches of space. This video takes you to the heart of one of the most astonishing discoveries in astronomy, a real image of a cosmic pair that visually confirms decades of theory and reshapes the history of science. Stay with us until the end, because this story isn't just about two black holes, it's about the boundaries of how we perceive the universe. If you thought black holes were just theoretical concepts, this video will change your mind. For the first time, not through diagrams or simulations, but through an actual image, we see how two black holes orbit each other, and this dance is not only beautiful, but packed with scientific data that could transform our understanding of space, time, and energy. For the first time, the cosmic dance of two supermassive black holes has been captured in an image, a historic achievement that visually confirms decades of theory. In a groundbreaking achievement, scientists have for the first time captured a direct image of two supermassive black holes orbiting each other. This extraordinary image, taken from the quasar OJT-187, provides visual confirmation of decades of indirect observations and theories surrounding this cosmic duo. OJ-287 isn't a widely known object, but its dazzling brightness is so intense that even amateur astronomers can observe it with personal telescopes. This striking glow originates from a highly active supermassive black hole at its center, but the astonishing part is that it's not alone. New and unprecedented radio images have revealed that another companion is orbiting it. Active black holes, as they consume surrounding matter, eject streams of high-energy particles into space in the form of powerful jets. Using new data, researchers have, for the first time, identified the signature of two particle jets from OJ-287, a discovery that confirms the presence of two active black holes orbiting each other. Mari Valtonen, lead author of the study from the University of Turku in Finland, explained in a statement, "For the first time, we've managed to capture an image of two black holes orbiting each other. In this image, the black holes are identified by the intense particle jets they emit. The black holes themselves are completely dark, but they can be detected through these jets or the glowing gas surrounding them." OJ-287 has long attracted attention due to its unique characteristics. Optical observations recorded over 136 years show that the brightness of this celestial object changes every 12 years. This pattern was the key clue to the existence of a second black hole, orbiting its larger companion in a 12-year cycle. The study also reveals the staggering scale of this pair. The larger black hole has a mass equivalent to 18 billion times that of our Sun, while the smaller companion is about 150 million times heavier than the Sun. Additionally, a massive light flare recorded in 2021 aligns perfectly with this dual model, further strengthening the theory of two active black holes. Valtonen says, the image of the two black holes was captured using a radio telescope system that included the Radioastron satellite. This satellite was active around 10 years ago, during the imaging of OJT-187. Its great distance from Earth significantly enhanced the image resolution far beyond what ground-based telescopes could achieve. In recent years, we've only been able to use ground-based telescopes, and the image quality hasn't matched what we had before. In a world where each day can redefine the boundaries of science, capturing an image of two orbiting black holes isn't just a photo, it's visual proof that theories can become reality. This discovery not only confirms past scientific models, but also opens the door to a new generation of cosmic observations and understanding. So next time you look up at the sky, remember, somewhere out there, two black holes may be dancing, shaping the future of science.